No loft style barn. Hay mow up there. A lot of garbage to clean up. Hopefully I can find some good things to save. I hate wasting stuff that's good. But it looks like mostly it's just trash. If there was anything good, it may have been stolen already. Now that's a nice beam of wood. Heavy duty. There's a stovepipe goes out the lean-to roof. Weight bench there. So it has a track for a roll-up door, but then it has a double swinging hinge doors. Stuffed animals in there. Finishing up here for tonight, there's a bunch of carpet on the ground floor of the barn. I rolled all that up and put that in the roll-off box. I intend to bring in some crushed concrete and dump in here and level it out. And then a person could park their car in here, make it useful. There was a workbench right here I ripped out, put the countertop in the roll-off box as well. Made a little progress tonight. 15 yards of crushed concrete. And that will go into the barn and drive something in here to park. Existing concrete floor is all broken up, and then it's lower than the foundation. I don't know what that is, at least 8 inches drop there. So I'm gonna fill that up to the level at the top of the foundation, and then I can park stuff in here, like a car or whatever. So that fills it up pretty good. I'll rake it around with the straight edge shovel. Let's see if I need any more in here. I can slope it down some from the doorway opening. So I think I'm good. This concrete should pack down pretty nice, I think. Something tried extra hard to dig its way into the barn last night. So there was a big hole knocked through the foundation concrete, so I put some cement blocks to cover it up and fill it up with gravel, but I dug through the gravel but stopped when I got to the concrete blocks. So it's gonna have to find some other way to get into the barn. Stopped it, sure made a mess though. So I'm gonna bring the plate tamper in here, try to pack that down, then level it out some more, and plate tamp where the sidewalk goes as well. I haven't used the plate tamper, it's been a year, maybe, I think it was last September when I last used it, so about 13 months ago. So I'm hoping it still runs. Put some oil in it, some gas, and see what it does. So I compacted it once, leveled it out with my shovel. I'll pack it once more, and then I think I'll call it good enough. I have the crushed concrete up to the top of the concrete foundation here. The camera aimed right there. It's top of the foundation, so it's level right now. When I compact it again, it'll be just slightly below the top. And it slopes down towards the existing poured concrete foundation here. But it's an easy, nice, gentle transition, so it's not a stumbling hazard. So it's a nice walk into this little area here. Just that 2x4 above the concrete. Once again, it's basically flush the top of the concrete foundation here, so it's not a trip hazard. Should be able to drive back a car in here now. Use it as a garage. Or before you couldn't even use it as a garage, being there was that major transition from the top of the foundation to the poured floor. So this makes it usable now. Looks relatively flat. I think that'll do pretty well. It's a huge improvement over what it was.